All day long, high winds have been battering western Pennsylvania, gusty enough that it's a KDKA first alert weather day. Thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Ken Rice. Much of the area is under a high wind warning. Let's get straight to Ray Petlin for the latest on the conditions out there. Ray?
Yeah, these winds are still gusting. This is a view off the top of Gateway Center looking towards the Fort Duquesne Bridge, west end in the background. Still some shakes, and of course the whitecaps on the river are a sign of some pretty gusty winds. In the last couple of minutes, we've had some readings come in. 52-mile-per-hour gusts in Latrobe, 45 Pittsburgh, 44 Washington, 47 Beaver Falls, 56 in Wheeling, Akron, and Canton, 54. Keep in mind, this is just a snapshot of a specific time. What's going to end up happening is you get these wind gusts that could push harder than that over the course of the evening. And some of these wind gusts could top 50, 60 miles per hour. And with that said, we have a high wind warning in effect from Washington County, Westmoreland County, all the way up to Lake Erie. So this is where we're going to see the greatest impacts from these winds. Just got off a chat before I hopped on here with the National Weather Service. Several trees and power lines down around Butler County, Armstrong County, Beaver County, Lawrence County, and Clarion County at the very least. So we're probably going to see power outage numbers ticking upward. And just keep in mind, power companies are not going to put their crews in danger with the really gusty winds to put them up high. So it might be a while before power is able to be restored. Temperatures at the very least are mild, but it is still awfully gusty. What this means for the weekend, the parade, and anything else you have going on coming up.
All right, thanks, Ray. There are thousands of power outages right now. Duquesne Light estimates more than 38,000 customers are without power at the moment. It brought in extra crews today to work on repairs. And those gusts have caused other problems around the area. In Marshall Shadeland, a tree fell onto a house on Ingham Street this afternoon. Severe damage there, as you can see, but no reports of anyone being hurt. In Washington County, Route 40 is closed between I-79 and the Copper Kettle in Washington due to multiple poles down. West Penn Power is working on it. It also has crews in Upper Tyrone Township working to restore power after a large tree fell into power lines. This is on Valley Drive. No word when power will be restored or when that road might reopen. In Shaler, Vilsack Road is closed between Mount Royal Boulevard and Anderson Road due to a downed tree with wires down.